President, kuha lang po sana kami ng reaction from you. Kasi yesterday po, may nakausap po kaming isang American businessman named Mr. Salvador Ahumada, Chairman and CEO po ng ACEIS Company, saying he is not bothered doon sa issue ng corruption sa Philippines and he intend to do business sa Pilipinas, sir.
Yeah. Well, if we had not exposed it, then they would be saying that there's a problem. Now that we have exposed it, their confidence is stronger in the Philippines. Kasi kahit may ganyan, mukhang talagang inaayos nila. So that's why things have changed. The level of confidence in the Philippine economy and in the Philippine government as the leader and the guider of the economy is restored. We all have, all countries have their own problems, but the only problem, especially for investors, is whether or not the government is doing anything about it. If the government were doing nothing about it, I would guess he wouldn't say the same thing.
Follow up, Mr. President. Meron na po ba tayong mga investment pledges sa ngayon?
Oh, yeah, should we? Well, I just had a meeting a few minutes ago. We just finished a meeting with Samsung. And as you know, Samsung is already in the Philippines. They have employed 8,000 Filipinos in their very, very high-tech manufacturing plant. The products that they make in the Philippines are of the highest tech that you can imagine. And so that is very, very important for us. Well, I met with them today, and they asked me what we could help them with an expansion in the Philippines. And mabuti na lang, meron na tayong batas na create more. Because within the new Create More Act, there is a threshold where we say that if there is an investment of over 50 billion pesos in the country, then they are qualified to be extended incentives and tax exemptions. So they committed to that, and they said because there is a Create More now, and that we have and because there are now incentives that make it easier for us to invest and to expand. That is their commitment. They made a commitment of a little over 50 billion pesos to expand. That translates into 3,000 new jobs. And again, the transfer of technology is going to be very important. Pangatlo, lagi kong lahat ng mga nag-i-invest sa atin, lalo na yung mga technology, sinasabi ko, kailangan mag-train kayo ng tao. At hindi lamang minsanan. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy ang training ninyo. And Samsung has agreed to tie up with some universities in the Philippines, not only to train, but also to do research and development. I don't think they do that in every place that they are. And so that is a very good development that we had just a few minutes ago.
Thank you for the good news, Mr. President.